If you are a law graduate or you are in your final years of legal studies and you are not sure which career option will be the right one for you, this video might be helpful to you. In this video, we are going to discuss about 10 career options that are available to any law graduates in India. Hi, my name is Bornali. I'm a law graduate and a corporate lawyer. I'm also a mother, currently on a small motherhood break. In this video, we are going to talk about 10 promising career options that are available to any law graduate that you might want to consider as your career path. I would say choosing the right career at the beginning is very important, because down the line you do not want to regret the way that you have shaped your career. So it will be a good idea to just take out some time, analyze all the options, understand which one will suit you the best in terms of your personal preference, and then go for it. Let us begin with the options available. First one is the most traditional one, whereby you can practice on your own right after your graduation. For that, you need to get yourself enrolled in any state bar association of your choice, and thereafter you also need to clear the All India Bar examination that is conducted by the Bar Council of India. Thereafter, you will be given a certificate of practice, and after that you will be able to practice in any court in India. Option number 2 is becoming a corporate lawyer. If you want to become a corporate lawyer, you have two options. You can either join any litigation firm. There are multiple litigation firms in India that are employing legal graduates. I will leave a list of the most popular ones here. Otherwise, you also have the option to join any MNC or big company as their in-house counsel. So these big companies have their own in-house legal team, and these legal teams, they handle all the legal aspects of the organization. But the departments are very vast and the work is also very diverse. So I'm thinking of making another video just discussing about what all options are available if you want to choose from the corporate lawyer category. Third option available to you is to become a public prosecutor. So a public prosecutor is basically the advocate appointed by the state, and you, as a law student, you might already be aware that any crime that is committed is presumed to be a crime against the state, and these cases are fought in the court by the public prosecutor. To become a public prosecutor, there are two options available. First is there are exams that are conducted and you can appear for them, and if you qualified, you will be appointed as the public prosecutor. The other option is there is a panel that is created by the judges of a particular district, whereby they appoint public prosecutor basis the experiences of the nominees available. This is a very good option if you want to opt your career as a government employee. Option number 4 is judicial services. As a law graduate, right after your graduation, you have the option to appear for judicial services grade 3 exam. These exams are conducted by the state or by high courts within the state, whereby junior civil judges or judicial magistrate, second class or first class are appointed. You also have the option to appear for the grade 2 exams, but then they have certain minimum criteria that you have to refer to. So state by state, there are requirements that specifically applies to that state. So you have to look for the requirements in the state that you are willing to appear for. Option number 5 is to become a law officer in different PSUs. These public sector undertakings like ONGC, NTPC, BHEL, Power Grid, etc., they from time to time conduct exam or also directly call candidates who are shortlisted basis their CLAT grades. So basically the CLAT consortium and these PSUs have a MOU to shortlist the candidates who have a good grading in CLAT, or otherwise you can also appear for the exams and you can become an employee of these PSUs. On the other hand, you also have the financial institutes like RBI, SEBI or different banks that conduct these IBPS exams, whereby law officers are appointed for these institutes. So you are basically going to be a policymaker or a law officer of these public sector banks. This option is also very promising, as you will have great exposure in terms of learning as a lawyer. Sixth option is UPSC and any state public service exam. Like any other graduate, as a law graduate, you can also apply for UPSC and the state public service competitive exam. You can become a IAS, IFS officers. These are very prestigious jobs in India and are very respectable, so that option is also available to you. Seventh option is to join teaching or academics. Now, if you wanted to become a professor or a teacher in legal field, just LLB degree will not be enough. You also need to have LLM, and you need to clarify the UGC conducted NET exam. But this profession is very promising if you want to involve yourself in more research, or if you want a more work-life balanced career. So that is also an option that you can absolutely choose for, just that you have to additionally get yourself an LLM degree. Eighth option is legal journalism. Now, how it is different from general journalism? Legal journalism is usually looked up at a higher space, because you are going with the skills of a lawyer, whereby you will be able to analyze the policies that the government is making and give a good analysis to the public in general. Legal journalists are usually appointed by these media houses, whereby they have a separate category of journalists who are legal. This is also a very promising career option that you can choose for. Ninth option is Judge Advocate General. If you wanted to serve the Indian Army and now you have a law degree, Judge Advocate General is the right option for you, because you will be serving the Indian Army as their legal officer. You will be looking after the martial cases or the legal matters of the Indian Army. There is a specific appointment and requirement criteria that is published by the Indian Army from time to time, but this is also a great option if you want to be part of the Indian Army. Option number 10 is not the most ideal one, but you can also choose to join the paralegal or the legal support jobs. Like you can become an assistant to the judge in any high court. You can also take up different jobs in these legal process outsourcings, whereby they are giving support to different litigation teams within or outside India. You will have a lot of review option if you join a paralegal work, but there will not be much exposure in terms of appearing in the court or doing direct drafting and negotiation, etc. But this is also an option available if you at the most want to start with your career in the beginning. So these are the most popular options available in India for a law graduate. If you have any questions about any specific option that I mentioned, please drop them down in the comment section below. I'm also planning to make in-depth video about these different options, so do let me know which one you are more interested in, so that I can make a more elaborate video explaining the options and the different salary ranges, etc. available in India. I really hope this video can bring you a little help in terms of understanding the options available for you, and you can make an informed decision about your career. You can always leave me suggestions and comments down. I look forward to meeting you again. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, or if you want me to make more videos like this, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to my channel below, and I hope to see you again. Thank you.